Hi, welcome back. So, இன்னைக்கு நம்ம arithmetic of polynomialsல என்ன பார்க்க போறோம் அப்படின்னா division of polynomials. So, four basic operations பார்த்துட்டோம். So, division of polynomialsல நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போறோம் அப்படின்னா how to divide a given polynomial by the divisor. So, for example, so generally 25 divided by 4. So when you divide 25 by 4, what you can get it up? If it is a normal division method, 25 by 4. How many 4s are there in 25? 6 4s are 24. So what is the remainder here? 5 minus 4, 1. So generally, if you take the format of this is called what? Remainder. So this is quotient. This is called what? Divisor. This is called what? Dividend. This is a general division. When we are doing this same in polynomials, so generally how we can generalize this? Dividend equal to this divisor into this quotient plus remainder. This is the general format of division. Suppose instead of this numbers, if you will take the polynomials, p of x, q of x, then p of x, g of x will take this. This is dividend. This is divisor, and r of x. This is remainder, and q of x. Let us take this as quotient. When apply this in this general formula, so dividend is equal to what? P of x. Polynomial of x is equal to, the divisor is g of x into the quotient is q of x plus the remainder is r of x. So this is the general format to find the quotient and the remainder of the polynomials. And again, one more thing I want to convey here. When you compare this divisor and the remainder, this remainder should always be less than the divisor. If it is greater than the remainder, it is not possible to do the divisions. So we'll see one example sums how to divide a polynomial by a given divisor. We will apply the same formula for the division in the polynomials. So instead of your numbers, here the polynomials will be given. We will find the remainder and the quotient. Okay, let's see an example sum. Divide x cube minus 4x square plus 6x divided by x. This is a simple question. So this is called the p of x. This is the divisor, that is q of x. We will take our g of x. Right? We are going to divide this polynomial by this x. So when you are writing the solution, p of x is equal to, that is x cube minus 4x square plus 6x. We are going to divide this by x. Right? So you have to divide each term by this x. So if you know how to divide this directly, you can do it. or else you have to write each term, that is x cube by x minus 4x square by x plus 6x by x. So each term should be divided by this divisor. When you are dividing this, this will be cancelled. Already I told you know the formula, that is a power m plus a power n is equal to a power m plus n. If the base is same values, we can add the powers. The same way, a power m divided by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. This is the rule. So if the power is 3, here the power is 1. When you are dividing this, if the base value is same, you can subtract the powers. So here what will come? X square. That means x3 minus, that is divided by x1 is equal to x3 minus 1. So what you can get it? X square. Very good. So minus. So again here power 2, here power 1. When you are cancelling this or subtracting this, minus 4x. So what will come for the next term? Only 1x is there. So this can be cancelled and you can get plus 6x. So what will be the answer? That is p of x is equal to x square minus 4x plus 6. So you can get this answer. Right? Okay. We'll see one more sum. The another sum is find the quotient and remainder. So what is given? 5x square minus 7x plus 2 should be divided by x minus 1. So let us take this as a dividend and let us take this as a divisor. So p of x is equal to what they asked to find the quotient and the remainder. So 5x square minus 7x plus 2. Let us take this as g of x is equal to x minus 1. So normal method, division method, we can do this. That is, this can be written as 5x square minus 7x plus 2 divided by a normal division method. Instead of here number, we are going to divide the polynomials. So here what should become? X minus 1. So this is called to what? Dividend. This is called a divisor. So what we are going to find out? Quotient and the remainder. What will come here and what will be the remainder. So it should be done by a step-by-step process. So here when you are writing, you can write the steps. What are the steps that should be done? The first step, listen carefully. You can take the first term. What is the first term here? Yes, 5x square. It should be divided by the first term. Not take all these two terms because we are taking one term, single term. So it should be divided by a single term. So by x. So already I told you know a power m divided by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. So this can be cancelled. You can get 5x. This is the first term of your quotient. So that should be written here 5x. So next step what should be done? We have to multiply by this 5x by each term. Okay. So this can be do as a second step. 5x into x minus 1. So each term of this divisor should be multiplied by 5x. So 5x into 5x. What will come? 5x square when you multiply this. then this minus 5x into 1 minus 12x, right? So 5x into x, 5x square plus here, this is minus. So minus 5x. So only 1 term. So next what should be done? You have to subtract this. This is as usual division method. So how should we divide? Change the sign of the values or terms and add it. So here plus 5x square, this minus 5x square. Automatically this will be cancelled. Okay. So here minus 7x, this is plus 5x. So what will come? Minus 7 plus 5. So which is the greater number here? 7. So what is the sign of the 7? It is minus. Put the greater number sign and subtract it. You can get minus 2. So minus 2, yes. Then write down this plus 2. Right? Okay. The third step. Again you have to take this first term and this first term. Okay, this is the common procedure when you are dividing a polynomial by another polynomial. So next step is minus 2x divided by this minus x should be. So what will happen? This x will be cancelled and you can get minus 2. So that minus 2 should be written in the device. So what will be the next step? Again, you have to multiply this 2 into x minus 1. Right? What we have done already here. So if you divide this, what you can get it? Minus 2 into x minus 2x. Again, here minus, here minus. So automatically minus into minus plus. 2 into 1. To add these two terms, what should be done? Have to change the sign. Change the sign as plus and change the sign as minus. Add these two. So automatically this will be answered. Yes. When comparing with the normal division method, this is called what? Quotient. This is called what? Dividend. This is called what? Divisor. This is called what? Remainder. So when you are multiplying this, find the quotient and the remainder. What is the quotient here? So when you are writing the answer, quotient is equal to, this is the quotient, 5x minus 2. So remainder is equal to 0. Clear? Any doubts? Okay, thank you.